Is your Windows 11 running like a snail? Don't worry, by the end of this video, your PC will feel brand new, no paid software, no nonsense, just pure speed. Hello guys and welcome back to another quick video. In today's video, we are going through some process and some steps to make Windows more smoother and more faster. Let's get started. Step number 1, disable startup bloat. First, go to taskbar and right click on that and click on task manager, and then go to startup apps in here and disable anything you don't need, like OneDrive, Spotify. This alone can cut your boot time in half. Step number 2, clean up your system. Next, let's clean the junk files and some temporary files. You wanna go to settings and go to system, and from here you wanna go to storage. In here choose temporary files. Make sure you have selected delivery optimization file, thumbnails, recycle bin, DirectX shader, cache, and temporary internet files, except downloads if you don't want to lose any file in your download folder. Once you have selected all of these, just click on remove files. It will ask you permanently delete it. Just say continue and you're done. Step number 3, adjust visual effects. Time to make it snappy. Search for view advanced system settings, like so. Click on that and click on settings, and make sure you have unchecked all these boxes right there, except enable peak and show thumbnails instead of icons, and smooth edges for off screen fonts. Once you have done that, click apply and OK, and then OK again. Step number 4, optimize power settings. Now change your power plan. Go to control panel, view by, you can change this to large icon, and in here you want to search for power options right there and switch to high performance. On laptops, choose balanced only if battery life is a concern. Alright, but I recommend you guys to select high performance. Step number 5, remove background apps or disable background apps. So to do that, you want to go to settings. You can search here for installed apps. In here you have all your applications, and you can by yourself and install unnecessary apps that you really don't use. To disable any application from running in the background, you only need to know that by yourself. Click on the 3 dot, that means more options. If you see only modify and uninstall option, that means the application doesn't run in the background. So you need to check all your applications until you find advanced options. As you can see here, this application has advanced options. If I click on that, I can see background app permissions, so I can change that to never. That's how I turn off applications from running in background in Windows 11. It's a little bit different than Windows 10. Alright, so you can try that by yourself on all your applications. Step number 6, use built-in tools. Don't forget Windows built-in tools. Search for disk cleanup and run it. From here you can search for disk cleanup. As you can see, select C drive and you click OK, Now it's scanning the drive for unnecessary files. Of course, in here you want to select temporary internet files, DirectX cache, and you can, by the way, select all of these and click on OK. Delete files. It will clean up your drive from junk files and all unnecessary files. And if you use a hard drive, not SSD, remember guys, not SSD, hard drive, you can defrag it by searching for defragment and optimize drives. You can defrag your drive for more optimization. And remember, don't do that with the SSD drive. And there you go, your Windows 11 should now be running smoother and faster than ever. If this helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more PC tips, tweaks and tech hacks. Got a question or want a full gaming optimization guide? Drop it in comments. I reply to everyone. And thank you for watching and have a good day.